Ladies and gentlemen, we are delayed because of train traffic ahead of us. We apologize for any inconvenience.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is an important message from the New York City Police
Stand
Department.
clear of the closing
Keep your
doors.
belongings in sight at all times. Protect yourself. If you see a suspicious package or activity on the platform or train, do not keep it to yourself. Tell a police officer or an MTA employee. Remain alert and have a safe day.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the last stop on this train. Everyone, please leave the train.